at 77.
Barely. God. Okay, so it is, I don't know what day it is, doesn't matter, but yesterday was another very windy day, and we woke up this morning to assess whether there was any damage to the greenhouse, and we noticed that this entire south wall is now very noticeably bowed inwards after being pummeled with the wind for pretty much a solid 24 hours. And you can really see it if I get up close and flush with the wall. But it's actually bent to the metal where the conduit meets here. This is a joint. And you can also see these really dark spots where the greenhouse skin was rubbing up against the metal. And we've got a nice pattern of dark spots all the way down, which we'll have to reinforce. Mark ordered some repair material that I guess you can laminate on top of holes and stuff on greenhouses, and it will help reinforce weak spots, which we're definitely going to need. But we're still drinking coffee and discussing what we're even gonna do about this, because I didn't even think of that as being a potential issue. Although it totally makes sense now looking at it. Here, let's zoom out. Does that make it more visible? I mean, it's supposed to look straight like that, but it's definitely not. It doesn't have a nice in-out of the curve. It just kind of bows. Looks really painful. Oh, let's look at it from the outside. Oh yeah, you can definitely see. Yeah. Looks like someone pressed on it really hard. Which, I guess technically somebody did. It was nature.